I'm not sure if this is a 7-Up car, but looks like one. How you doing? This your car?
Hi, how are you?
This one of those 7-Up ones that they had?
Exactly. Bella Yoda.
Really?
7-Up, right.
Cool. How'd you end up getting it?
Bought it from a guy in Marshfield. I turned 17 years old.
Really?
I got it. It's got 13 years with one owner. It's got 105 on a 9. Bought it with 51, 3,000 miles.
Looks terrific. Looks terrific.
Yeah, keep in good shape. I only bought it probably 3 months out of the year. I keep it in the garage. So.
It's cool.
Thank you.
Yep.